Samsung has recently launched its Galaxy S24 series, and there have been numerous reports of display issues, specifically with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Reports have surfaced on Reddit, a prominent online forum, indicating that some users of the newly released Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are experiencing display anomalies. The issue manifests as a persistent green stripe, with some users also observing white stripes on their screens. Despite attempting standard troubleshooting measures like reboots and factory resets, affected users have found that the green stripe problem persists. While the number of reported cases appears limited for now, the occurrence of multiple instances within a short time frame raises concerns about potential quality control issues with Samsung's flagship device. One Reddit user, identified as oak_marketing_6979, described encountering the problem only 6 days after purchasing their Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both individuals involved have sought assistance from their mobile operators, requesting either a replacement device or a full refund, but they have reportedly not received a satisfactory resolution. Although it's important to acknowledge that the reported cases may not represent widespread production issues, their emergence highlights the need for Samsung to conduct further investigation. Currently, the company has not released an official statement on the matter, leaving many users worried about the device's quality and the responsiveness of customer service. It's possible that the green stripe issue is software-related and a future update could potentially resolve it. However, the lack of an immediate response from Samsung concerning the problem and user concerns is troubling for early adopters of the Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone. As the situation unfolds, it will be crucial for Samsung to address these concerns transparently and promptly. This includes investigating the cause of the green stripe, providing timely solutions to affected users, and offering clear communication regarding potential software fixes or hardware replacements. Such actions are essential for maintaining consumer confidence in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.